I'm currently at the workshop site of Shenzhen Yixinying Technology. I'm going to take you through the process of connector manufacturing in a Chinese factory. This includes the stamping process, the injection molding process, and the production process of pin headers and sockets. We'll witness the entire journey of a connector, from the fabrication of raw materials to the packaging of the finished product. Let's start with the stamping process and take a look together. First, it is necessary to prepare the required metal materials, which are usually copper, aluminum, steel, and other metals. The thickness and size of the material should be selected according to the requirements of the product. Design appropriate molds according to the requirements of the product. The mold design needs to take into account factors such as the shape, size, and precision of the product. After the mold manufacturing is completed, strict inspection and debugging are required to ensure the quality and efficiency of the stamping process. Install the designed mold onto the press and perform debugging. The purpose of debugging is to ensure the precision and stability of the mold, as well as the operating performance of the press. Place the cut metal sheets into the press, and through the pressure of the mold and the power of the press, stamp the metal sheets into the desired shape. The stamping formation process requires controlling parameters such as pressure, speed, and temperature to ensure the quality and precision of the product. Conduct quality inspection on the stamped terminals to ensure that their dimensions, shape, and surface quality meet the design requirements. Products that pass the inspection can be packaged and shipped, while those that fail need to be reworked or scrapped. Before mold design, the designer should fully analyze and study whether the plastic product conforms to the principles of injection molding processing. It is necessary to carefully consult with the product designer to reach a consensus. According to the design drawings, use CNC machines, milling machines, and other equipment to process the mold core and mold base. After the mold manufacturing is completed, strict inspection and debugging are required to ensure the precision and stability of the mold. Before installing the mold, check the machine's dimensions and weight to ensure that the mold is correctly aligned and secured to the machine's pattern. Proper machine setup ensures high and consistent quality of the finished parts, thereby reducing the risk of mold or machine damage. Inject the molten plastic into the mold's gate, filling the entire mold cavity. There are various types of injection molding, with common ones including plastic injection molding, two-shot molding, and after cooling is complete, the injection machine opens the mold, and the ejection mechanism such as ejector pins or a push plate pushes the product out of the mold cavity. After completion, the parts will be inspected to ensure they meet the required specification. If any issues are found, the parts may need to be reworked or will be scrapped. For pin headers, high-quality copper with gold plating is selected. These materials have good electrical conductivity and mechanical strength. For female headers, high-quality plastic materials such as PBT or PSXT are chosen for the insulating and supporting parts. Automated machines are used for the production of pin headers and female headers. The steps for pin headers include assembly, bending, cutting, and forming. After forming, pin headers and female headers may undergo surface treatment, such as grinding and trimming. Quality inspections are conducted at various stages of production and packaging to ensure that pin headers, female headers inspections include CCD machine checks, visual inspections, dimensional measurements, and electrical function tests. Automatic packaging machines are used for the packaging of pin headers and female headers, saving labor costs. These steps ensure that the production process of pin headers and female headers is efficient and accurate, ultimately resulting in high-quality products.